Okay, here's the last part of the video. So this first part here at the top that talks about variables and associated and causes is actually not going to be on the test. It was in the 9.5 ready, so it's fair game, but it's not on there. And since I'm kind of under a time crunch here a little bit, getting all these videos out to you guys, I'm just going to skip it for now and do the last problem. So for the scenario below, identify the population, sample, and parameter of interest. Then identify what type of sampling was used to obtain the sample. Explain whether or not you think the sample will be representative of the population it was sampled from. Kara wants to know how many 18-year-old high school students in her district voted in the spring primary election. By election day, there are 1,215 18-year-old high school students at the 6 high schools in her district. She randomly selected one high school and surveyed all 115 of the 18-year-old women at the high school and found 43 voted in the primary. Okay, so our population is high school students. And our sample is the 115 high school, or let's say 115 18-year-old women at one of the high schools, or at one high school. The parameter is what we want to find out. And she wants to know how many 18-year-old high school students in her district voted in the primary. So how many high school students voted in the primary? The type of sample is a cluster because she took one group, one high school. She took one group within one of the high schools. The representative on this is no, because it is biased, and I won't write the whole thing out, but I will kind of explain it. So the reason why it's biased is because she only chose one of the high schools, and because she only chose to interview women and not also men could be a reason. So whenever we do, a survey or a sample, it's best for it to be representative of the entire population. So hopefully you found that helpful. Again, don't worry about this time, but it is just kind of a reminder that, anything that is assigned is fair game on the test, but you don't need to worry about it this time.